The Sukhoi Su-30 is a twin-engine, multi-role fighter aircraft developed by Russia's Sukhoi Aviation Corporation. Derived from the Su-27, it serves in air superiority and ground attack roles, making it highly versatile. Today we will make it with paper.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.